Okay, what do we have today?
When I fill up a gas-powered vehicle, I have just enough time to run into the convenience store to grab a hot dog and a soda. But when I charge my EV, I've got enough time to walk across the street, eat an entire pizza, and then sit in regret. Higher power EV chargers are one reason I'm excited for Panasonic's ECWFG series of metallized polypropylene film capacitors. The ECWFG series offers roughly double the current handling capability of previous capacitors, enabling higher output current in the same footprint or the same output current from a smaller and lighter design. The capacitors are offered with allowable current up to 6.4 amps RMS and voltage ratings from 600 to 1100 volts DC. The capacitors are AEC Q200 compliant with a flame retardant plastic enclosure that provides high moisture resistance and thermal shock resistance. They also feature a built-in fuse element that produces open failures to prevent fuming or firing from the short circuits.